there, incredible parents! Today, I'm excited to share some powerful tips on how you can help your child develop leadership traits, whether they're in middle school or high school. These strategies will help set them on the path to becoming confident, capable leaders. Let's dive right in. First up, promoting teamwork. Get your child involved in group activities like team sports, drama clubs, or group projects. It's amazing how much they can learn about collaboration, communication, and leading effectively through teamwork. Next, encourage volunteering. Volunteering isn't just about giving back. It builds responsibility and empathy. Your child will understand the value of helping others and leading by example. It's a win-win. Set a good example. Remember, your kids are watching you. Show them what leadership looks like by demonstrating responsibility, empathy, and effective communication in your daily life. Let them see how you handle challenges and make decisions. Thinking about structured opportunities? Enroll them in leadership programs, camps, or programs focused on leadership skills that provide fantastic environments for your child to grow and develop their potential. It is important to cultivate effective communication. Encourage your child to practice public speaking, active listening, and clearly expressing their thoughts. This will boost their confidence and help them stand out. Give them leadership opportunities at home and in the community. Let them plan a family event, lead a community service project, or take charge of a school assignment. Real-world practice is invaluable. Encourage them to make decisions and learn from the outcomes. This builds accountability and critical thinking, essential skills for any leader. It's all about learning and growing. Finally, celebrate successes and learn from failures. Acknowledge their achievements and discuss what can be learned from setbacks. Building resilience and a growth mindset is crucial for leadership. By implementing these steps, you're setting your child up for a lifetime of success. Leadership is more than a skill. It's a way of life. Start today and watch your child transform into a confident, capable leader. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on empowering the next generation. Together, let's build a future full of strong, inspiring leaders.